Hello, today we're going to be showing you how to assemble your pedal activated sanitizing station in just a few simple steps. First we begin with the main tube, which comes in this box along with the base plate. Inside the main tube goes the piston. This is the foot pedal, which gets attached to the base plate using the Allen key and this bolt. This is called the top plate, and this is called the crossbeam. And this here is our optional sign plate. So first we start by taking the main tube. We take the front of it, which has the logo on it, and we turn it upside down. Next we take our crossbeam, we slide it inside one side of our tube and across to the other side. Now we take our foot pedal and we drop it on top of our crossbeam. Now we take our base plate and we take the side with a countersunk hole, and that goes upwards. Next we position it over the top of the main tube. Now we take our bolt, we drop it into the hole, and it goes into the crossbeam. Next we take our Allen key, now that our base plate is fastened to the main tube, we'll take it and flip it right side up. Now we're going to take the piston and put it into the main tube. Before we do that, we're going to look at the bottle size that we're going to be using. You'll see these adjustable holes here with your pin. Our suggestion is that you start around hole number 5 when you're using a standard 12-ounce bottle of hand sanitizer. Now we take the piston and drop it inside the main tube. As you drop the piston inside the main tube, make sure that it engages the foot pedal. Now that your piston is inside the main tube, put your hand sanitizer bottle here and slide your top piece across. The top of the pump should be below the cross piece, which you can see this is not the case. If you need to make an adjustment, take your bottle of hand sanitizer out and simply pull the piston out of the tube. Make a simple adjustment by pushing in the push pin to make the piston go higher or lower. Reinsert the piston into the tube, ensure that it engages the foot pedal, and we're good to go. In order to secure your sanitizing bottle in place, place the bottle inside the main tube. Next, look down to see which holes correspond with your size bottle. Now take your set bolts and insert them into the top of the piston.